So let's find out the value of cosine squared 45 degree minus sine squared 15 degree. So there will be two ways. There are always multiple ways of finding out the value. I'll show you two ways to find out the value of this particular expression. So let us begin. So here we have cosine squared 45 degree, but we can also express it as cosine 45 degree whole squared minus sine 15 degree whole squared. We'll find out the value of each of the trigonometric ratios separately. So cosine 45 degree, we know it's 1 over square root of 2, so we have to square it. From it, we're going to subtract the value of sine 15 degree. So we'll try to find out the value of sine 15 degrees. We know that sine 15 degree, there's no standard trigonometric value for sine 15 degree, but what we can do, we can rewrite 15 degree as 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. And if we apply the formula sine A minus B, which is equivalent to sine A times cos B minus cosine A times sine B. So if we suppose that A is equivalent to angle 45 degree and B is equivalent to 35 degree, then sine 15 degree is going to have a value sine 45 degree times cosine 30 degree minus cosine 45 degree times sine 30 degree, which will be equals to, so sine 45 degree, that's 1 over square root of 2, cosine 30, that's square root of 3 over 2, minus cosine 45 degree, that's 1 over square root of 2 times sine 30 degree, which is half. So that means the value of sine 15 degree comes out to be square root of 3 minus 1 divided by 2 times square root of 2, which we can use here. So we get square root of 3 minus 1 divided by 2 times square root of 2 whole squared. So let's compute this value. So this will be equals to, so 1 over square root of 2 squared, that gives us 1 over 2. Minus, so we have square root of 3 minus 1 whole square in the numerator. So this gives us the value 4 minus 2 times square root of 3. Divided by squaring 2 times square root of 2, we're going to get 8. Which reduces to half minus 2 minus square root of 3 over 4. Combining them, we should get 4. Then we have 2 minus 2 plus square root of 3. So we're getting a value square root of 3 over 4. So this is the value of cosine square 45 degree minus sine square 15 degree. That comes out to be square root of 3 over 4. So this is method number 1. Next, what we'll do, we'll use method number 2, where we can use the standard trigonometric identity. Let's do that. Here, we're going to use the fact that if we have cosine squared A minus sine squared B, so this can be also expressed as the product of cosine of A plus B multiplied to cosine of A minus B. So in our case, if we consider A to be 45 degree and B to be 15 degrees, then we get cosine squared 45 degrees minus sine squared 15 degrees. So this will be equals to cosine of 45 degree plus 15 degree multiplied to cosine of 45 degrees minus 15 degrees. So that will be equals to cosine of 45 plus 15, that's 60 degree, multiplied to cosine of 45 minus 15, so that's 30 degrees. So cosine of 60, that's half, and cosine of 30, that's square root of 3 over 2. Now the product gives us square root of 3 over 4. And we have obtained exactly the same result that we obtained by using method number 1. So these are the two methods, and the usual route will be, you can always use a calculator to find out the value, and it comes out to be square root of 3 over 4.